If your all-time favorite cookie is the humble chocolate chip cookie, this recipe is for you. Beautifully gooey in the center, just the right amount of crunch on the outside and lots of chocolate specks. We are melting down our butter, combining our sugars and our salt together, and then once the eggs have reached room temp, we will go ahead and combine our sugars with our butter. We'll drop one egg in at a time, making sure that it's fully incorporated before we add the next one. And I'll have the recipe for all of this in the description box. Notice I have 4 eggs here. That's because I have doubled the recipe to make lots of chocolate chip cookies that I'm then going to freeze. I have my baking powder and baking soda. Just going to mix that into the flour. Once all your dry ingredients are combined in an impossibly tiny bowl, add in your chocolate chips. Make sure that is well distributed and then pop it into the fridge for about a few hours or overnight if you can. Roll them up into balls and then you can either freeze those or bake them off from cold. I've set my Ooni Volt 2 at 180 degrees on the bake mode and baking these for about 18 minutes. After which they should look a little something like this. They can still be soft in the center, but colored and crunchy on the outside. Allow them to cool off on the tray for another 5 minutes before transferring them onto a cooling rack, and then let them cool down completely. And that is how you make the most delicious chocolate chip cookie I've ever tasted. If you'd like to check out the Ooni Volt 2, I will leave that linked in the description box for you.